So in this video, I am going to redo another question, which is the sequence question from paper 1 of 2008 of June. So let's see. So here we have the nth term of a sequence is given by this. So let's write this down. The nth term is given by 7 minus 2n. Okay. Now write down the 23rd term of the sequence. So we just have to replace the value of n by 23. So T23 is equal to 7 minus 2 times 23. Now what is 2 times 23? That will be 7 minus, that will be 46, which is minus 39. So your answer for part A will be minus 39 for the 23rd term. Okay, this one was pretty easy. Now let's move on to part B. B1. The first 5 terms of another sequence are given to you. So we have 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. So by observation, you will see that every term is increasing by the same amount, which is plus 3, and plus 3. Right. Now part 1, write down an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence. So the trick is, when you see plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, you write 3n. Just write this down. Now you observe that the first term is given by 4. That's the real term of the sequence. So what if you replace n by equal to 1, which is the first term supposedly? Now you replace 3, 1 is equal to 3. So 3 is not the same as 4. But now how can we change 3 to 4? We have to add 1. So we add 1 here as well. So in that case, this will become your nth term. So 3n plus 1. Now for part 2, the first 5 terms of another sequence are given by this. Okay, that is your first term, second term, third, fourth, and fifth term. Part 1. Write down the next term of this sequence. So if you observe, we have to look at them separately. So the top separately and the bottom separately. So for the top, as you can see, we have to add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, and add 3. That will become 19. Now for the base, as you can see, it is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, then this will be 6 square. So your answer will be 19 over 36. Part B, write down an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence. Again, one more time, what can we do? We'll look at them separately. So the top is 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, just like this one. So basically the nth term will be the same as this, 3n plus 1. Now for the base, you will have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So this one we know already. We can just scratch it out because it is equal to this one for the nth term. So we know this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth, and fifth term. If you observe, it is the square of each of the numbers, right? So let's say, for example, if it was 6th term, that will be 36. And what if it was n? That will be n squared. So that's why your nth term become, the top is this one, 3n plus 1, which is this sequence on top, the same one as this, and the bottom is divided by n squared. Just like that. You do this separately, top sequence and bottom sequence. Okay, so I hope that was somewhat helpful, and as always, thank you for watching. And if you have any other questions, leave a comment down below. I will get back to you guys.